the week.
Hey, it's Sanjit over here at Trev Deeley Motorcycles. Today we got the 1 amp battery charger. Now this is really great and important for winter storage. This creates a great addition to keep your battery healthy for your bike during the winter months. It comes with the clamps, so the positive and negative clamps, as well as the little toggle that you can easily just plug into your bike and off you go, you're set. What you don't want to do is keep it permanently on charge during the winter months. You want to make sure that the trickle charger gets taken off and you cycle it every so often, because just like anything, if you keep it on charge long enough, it ends up having a reverse charge and having a negative impact on your battery. So the best way to do that is just cycling it out every few days to make sure that the battery stays healthy during the cold, rainy, wet winter months. Oh yeah, and this also fits any bike that has a sort of toggle, little adapter here. This works on any bike that has that, so it's universal fit. You could have a Harley, you could have whatever, so it pretty much works on anything.